Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Bagherwal. Welcome to Salesforce SKUID series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a page in a SKUID application and what the things are there that you can configure in a page. So let's get started. So I am on the Pages tab, and to create a new page, I'll just click New. I'm going to give a page name as Contact Page. Okay, nothing I'm checking from here, module, nothing we have. Click create. So the page is created and it took me on the page builder console, so where you can define the configuration about the page, and I can add the components, I can get the data from different models, and I can perform actions. So let's see what is there on the page. So on the page property, you can see page name is there. Module, we have not created any. So module is like a kind of a folder under which your page is you are creating. You can create like that a module, but we have not created any. Page title is the title. If you want to say contact page, so whatever title you will be giving, that will start reflecting on the page. And owner is my user there. Then you can even give the tab name, which you can override the tab functionality as well. Let's say you have created a tab in your Salesforce, and you want this page to showcase in that tab, then you can give the name of that tab as well. Design system, there are a few like default, INK, lightning, product tool. So some design system is like in some the header will not show, in some the kind of layout or theme will be changed. So like that, there are multiple design systems are available. Warn if warn users if page has unsaved changes. So that means if it is kind of a form page and you have given some information but you are not doing anything, then it's gonna warn you with some message like that. Okay, personalization mode is whether it is a client side or server side. I would say you choose server side most of the times, because you might need to get data or post data on the server, like on the backend system. If it is completely on the client side, then you can select client side as well. That's your depends upon your what is the requirement you have. Then this was about the general tab. Then we have layout tab. So here you can deselect whether you want to Salesforce header and sidebar or not, and if you have any custom header or footer available, you can check these boxes. Then you can give them the content that you have for header or footer. Then we have interaction. So interaction basically on the page, if somebody clicks or right click, then what you want to do. So something like that you can configure, like on click, if I want to make some action on that click, then I can put that in the interaction. Then we have style. So you can give background, you can select style variant. Okay, we have only default, so no need to select any other. Labels are like if you want to have some labels, some static data you want to add in the in that label, and you want to use that label throughout your page, so you can create a label here. Okay, so that was some properties about the page. Now on this console on left side, you are seeing there is a navigation bar. So first item is components. So it consists of UI components like buttons, carousel, tabs, okay, wizard, file upload, filter set, form, image. So anything you want to have on the UI, so those components you can find on the components tab. The next item is the models. So here you need to define from which model your data is coming from. Okay. So the data could be coming from Salesforce, it could be from any outside entity like I have shown in the previous video, where you have configured some data source and you want to get the data from that data source in your SKUID page, then you need to configure a model for that. Okay. So that you can configure here in the models tab. Then we have index. Okay. So index shows you how your components are in the hierarchy in this page. So that information you can get from your index tab. Then we have action sequence. So this is like I can say on page load or on page rendering. If you want some actions to be to run automatically, then you can configure those actions in this action sequences tab. Okay. So it could be like whenever the page loads, I'm showcasing the list of records and I want that query to happen whenever the page is loaded. So in that case, I'm gonna define a section of I'm gonna define an action over here which will query the data using that model. Okay. Then we have the JavaScript tab. You can write your custom JavaScript in here, and based on that you can perform actions on data or client-side actions as well. So that was all about this page. And just one more thing, below this is your playground. Like if you want to add anything, you just have to drag and drop, and for that particular component the properties will start coming. Okay, if you will click on the page properties will be coming. If you click on the component specific properties will start coming. So that was all about this video. If you like it, please like it and comment on it. For more, please subscribe my channel as Abhishek Bahirwal. Thank you.